Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to upload a photo on Adobe Express. This is a fundamental skill you'll need whether you're creating social media graphics, presentations, or any kind of visual content on the platform. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to new.express.adobe.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in with your credentials to access your Adobe Express account. This step is essential as it gives you access to all the design tools and features available on the platform. After logging in, you'll land on the Adobe Express homepage. Here, look for the button that says Start New Design and click on it. This will open up a menu with various preset sizes and templates. For our purposes, we're going to select Custom Size, which gives you complete control over the dimensions of your canvas. Once you've clicked on Custom Size, go ahead and click Create New File. This action will open up a fresh workspace where you can start building your design. Now that your workspace is ready, shift your attention to the left panel of the screen. This is where you'll find all the tools for adding elements to your design. Look for the Upload button and click on it. This feature is specifically designed to let you bring in your own images, photos, and graphics from your device into Adobe Express. A file browser window will pop up on your screen. Navigate through your folders to find the photo you want to upload. Once you've located the image, click on it to select it, then click the Open button. This will import your photo directly into Adobe Express and place it on your canvas. With your photo now on the canvas, you might notice it needs some adjustment. If the image is too large or too small for your design, you can easily resize it. Simply click on the image to select it, and you'll see corner handles appear around it. Drag these handles inward to make the image smaller or outward to make it larger, ensuring it fits perfectly within your design layout. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded a photo to Adobe Express and have it ready for editing or incorporation into your project. This process forms the foundation for creating stunning visual content on the platform. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.